Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can extract the comments from any YouTube videos without any API. So I'm going to first open this folder where I basically store all my files required. So in this video, I will show you the real demonstration that how you can run the crawler and how you can extract the data. So first in this I have already clicked the URL and I'm going to paste this video.
People have called you the
Related to the Elon Musk, and in this video we will scrap that we will extract the comments. It contain 10,976 comments, and we will basically we gonna extract the data. Okay, so this is the video. So I'm gonna copy this link of the video and I'm gonna simply type here cmd and I'm gonna run the actual file. I can also run it through Visual Studio Code Editor. No, don't worry about this, but let me run from this way, this side. That sounds better for me. Okay, so when I'm press the play button, it show me the window. So in this video, in this window, it will show me wait a minute, how input a URL. I'm gonna simply input the URL, make sure it is a valid URL. Okay, so it gonna now it will show me how many times I'm gonna scroll down pay down the subscription. I say I wanna press 7 times. 7 times means that it's simply scroll down web screen 7 times, and each time it will click on more replies or many replies button, and then after this it will extract data and show me the file in this show me the content, the data in the spreadsheet. So I want to say 7 times. Okay, so it wait for 2-3 seconds, and now you see start running. It will click on replies. Wait for it. So here is it. The total comment scrap are 122, and here are the list of the comments. You see it's scrape, and here are comments. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the actual file which contain the comments. Here is the file and it contain the data, and show me this was 5 years ago, and this is the username, its comment, uh, and this is basically show you how it was, what kind of comment this was, reply, and many when user mentions someone else, you can see this, and here is it. It sounds good without any API, no API required. So here is the complete video. So if you need this about this kind of comment scraping script, I can show you. I will share the data. I will share the data video. I hope it sounds good for you. So I hope you really enjoy the video. I can build more kind of scraping script online. So this is my Fiverr account, and I'm offering my web scraping services. This is my gig was here, and you can approach me directly into my Fiverr profile. There are some sort of modifications are required, but I will add the requirement according to my users recommend. So I hope you really enjoy the video. So thanks for your time. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.